Hello, this is a note about updating to the latest version of qtVlm using a Mac computer. Now, with a PC computer, I don't think it takes a video. It's just it's very straightforward. The only tip is once you learn you need to update, close the program, then go get the latest version and install it. If you close the program first, you save some time. That's true with both programs actually, but both Mac and PC. Once you need to update it. However, so with a PC, it's very straightforward. You just click, and follow the instructions, and nothing is all pretty clear. But it's a little more involved with a Mac because there's a little more options on the install and so forth. So that's what I want to look at. And the idea is at some point you will see this. And one of the virtues of qtVlm is it is dynamic, and it just gets better. It gets better day by day or month by month, whatever. And so periodically you'll have these updates. And it'll show up like this. And so then we're going to say, we're going to go to the downloads and it means go get a new version. And so I'm going to demo that. So we're going to go to the downloads here. But I'm going to come back here, and I am going to close the program because that's something you want to do. All right, so the first thing with a Mac is to realize that there's two versions. It's for the newer ARM versions, you take this one down here, and for the older Intel version, you take this one. I have an older machine, so I'm using this one. So I download this, and that'll go. I agree. I apologize. It goes to. Save it. Now I could run it right out. I'm on Chrome, but it's in my downloads, and once it's in the downloads, then you can just click it to open it. And now, so this is the first thing you see. And what we want to do is, once you have it already installed, we just want to click this button here, qtVlm install. So you click that, and then it's an app. Okay, you got to say open. And now we're going to say install again. So we're going to say install here. And now it's going to say, where does it want to go? Now, in a sense, a logical place on a Mac is put it in the Applications folder. So you would go up here to Applications and then come down here and find, if this is where you put it, you have to go to wherever you put it, right? And so we go to qtVlm, which is right here. And then you just highlight that, and say Open. And then it's going to say, do you want to launch the program? And you say yes. So that is an app download for open. And so that's the procedure like that. And then you get a pop-up that shows you what's new in the latest version and so forth. And you can decide to read it now, read it later, or don't show it again, whatever like that. And wait a minute, you may not see that. You get this option down here you read it for sure, see what's new, and then maybe you don't have to see it again. Okay, and then there's the program. So that's the update procedure for a Mac.